Car seats can get dirty very easily from food spills, drinks, dust, and everyday use. Over time, these stains can become hard to remove and make your car look messy. Here are the best ways to remove stubborn stains from car seats. Liquid soap is a simple and effective solution for removing stubborn stains from car seats. It helps break down dirt, grease, and food spills without damaging the seat material. To remove stubborn stains from car seats using liquid soap, start by vacuuming the seat to remove loose dirt and crumbs. Mix warm water with a few drops of liquid soap in a clean spray bottle. Shake gently to combine the solution without creating too much foam. Lightly spray the stained area, do not soak it, then use a soft brush or cloth to gently scrub the stain. Continue brushing until the stain is completely removed. For tougher stains, using a vacuum brush can be very effective. After spraying the liquid soap solution on the stained area, gently rub the stain with the vacuum brush to loosen deep-set dirt and grime. The bristles help lift the stain from the fabric while the vacuum pulls out the dirt and excess moisture at the same time. Once the stain starts to lift, wipe the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Finally, let the seat air dry completely to prevent moisture buildup and odors. Drying car seats with a vacuum is a great way to remove excess moisture after cleaning. Move the vacuum slowly over the damp areas, pressing lightly to lift moisture from deep within the fabric. The car seat cleaner tool makes removing stubborn stains from car seats quick and easy. It sprays, scrubs, and suctions to lift deep dirt, pet stains, dust, and allergens from upholstery and car interiors. The tool comes with a tough stain brush, a self-cleaning hose, and a cleaning formula that instantly removes stains and eliminates odors. Its compact design makes it easy to store, keeping your car seats clean, fresh, and well-maintained. The car seat cleaner spray is an easy and effective way to tackle stubborn stains on your car seats. Simply spray the solution directly onto the stained area, allowing it to penetrate and loosen dirt, spills, and pet stains. The gentle yet powerful formula lifts grime without damaging the fabric or leather. After spraying, you can scrub lightly with a cloth or soft brush to remove the stain completely. The spray not only cleans, but also helps eliminate odors, leaving your car seats fresh and looking like new. Regular cleaning not only maintains the appearance of your car's interior, but also helps create a healthier, more comfortable environment for you and your passengers.